Now, the third one they're going to give you is where you now have that fraction like we did on that last one that didn't have the y-intercept. But same kind of thing that we're doing, it's just when we make our table, we have to be a little pickier of our points. We always like to use 0 because 0 gives us our y-intercept. But then we look at our denominator. In this case, our denominator is 2, so we want to use multiples of 2. We would want to use like 2 and 4 in there so that we get nice whole number answers. So we are going to do 1/2 times 0 plus 3 first of all.
So we are going to go 1/2. And that's going to be 0.
1/2 times 0 is 0.
Yep.
And then we got to plus the 3.
Oh, shoot.
So we get that number on the end, just like we did with those other ones, right?
Yep.
That n number always is your y-intercept.
Okay.
And so 0, 3 is going to be your y-intercept.
So 1/2 times 2 plus 3, but you can cancel out 2's.
Yep.
Think of 1, so it's going to be 3.
You're going to get 1 plus 3,
1
right?
Plus, oh yeah, 1 plus 3, so that's 4.
That's going to be 4, yep. Now you're going to do 1/2 times 4 plus 3.
Times 4 plus 3. So we can still cancel out. Oh yeah, okay.
2 goes into 4 2 times, right?
Yep.
So I'm going to get 2 plus 3, which is 5. So now we got to plot our points. How do we plot the point 0, 3?
Okay, 0, 0, and then up 3.
Up 3. That's our y-intercept.
That's our one.
Yep. And then 2, 4.
Go over 2 and up 4.
And then 4, 5.
Over 4, up 5.
And then we're going to connect our dots. And we're going to double check. Yep, our slope was positive. It should go uphill as I connect my dots, and it does. All right. Let me move the board up. If it wants to move. Number 11 then. If I'm going to make my table, what numbers would be good to put in my table?
X. 0, 0. Six and 9.
Okay, we could do 6 and 9. 9 might be too big. What would be something in between the 0 and the 6 we could use?
3.
So 0, 3, and 6 would probably be good. We might be able to use 9, but I'm worried 9 would get too big and wouldn't fit on our graph. So negative 2/3 times 0 plus 2 would give me
Could be 2.
going to be 2, exactly. Then negative 2/3 times 3 plus 2.
Be 4.
Nope,
Negative 4.
nope.
Negative 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2.
Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. A negative 2
yes.
plus a
0.
2 is 0. Is 0. Negative 2/3 times 6 plus 2.
6. 6.
No, don't lose your negative sign because I
Oh,
think
I
you're
did
losing
lose
your
my
negative
negative
again.
Negative 2 times 2 is 0.
Negative 2 times 2 is what?
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Plus
Negative 4 plus 2 is?
Negative 6.
No,
Negative 2.
negative 2. You might just want to use your calculator when you're doing these just so you don't make silly mistakes. Plotting our points. 0, 2. Where would 0, 2 be?
Okay, 0 and then 2 up.
2 up. That's my y-intercept. 3, 0.
3 over. Oh, no, why are you going to do that? Where's the 0?
Up
there,
0.
3?
Right there on the 3. 3 over up 0.
Okay, then 6 over and down -2.
There you go. We knew our slope was negative, so that when we connect our dots, we should be going downhill, and we are. So you might just want to write yourself a note on that one. 3 over up 0. Ends up right on the line.
3 over.
Because you seem to have trouble with those that have that 0 in there. Okay, number 12. Gonna make our table. What numbers might we want to use for x?
0.
0's good.
2.
Not 2.
4.
4 would be good. And what's the next multiple of 4?
8.
Probably have to go to 8. Or we might use -4 if 8 doesn't work. So, -1/4 times 0.
Hello? Yeah? Oh, I'm in class. I'll call you later. The middle building. The middle building. The ones with the crayons? Oh, yeah, that one then. Okay, bye.
All right, so -1/4 times 0 minus 4 would give us.
So that's going to be 0. Is that going to be
It's going to be -4, exactly.
4?
0 minus 4 is -4. Always get that n number when we put 0 in. You know it always has to be whatever that n number is. Okay, now we're going to do -1/4 times 4 minus 4.
Is that going to be 5?
It's going to be -5. I got to add and keep my sign, right? -5. And then -1/4 times 8 minus 4.
So it's going to be Jeez. -6.
-6, exactly. So, plotting our points, where would 0, -4 be?
0 down -4.
So right on our y line at -4, because we knew that was supposed to be our y-intercept. Then we have 4, -5,
To go 4 and down to -5.
and then we have 8, -6.
All the way to 8 and -6.
And again, when we connect our dots, we're going downhill because we knew our slope was negative up there. That number in front of the x is a -1/4.